I have abundant wealth and financial freedom in my life. I have a healthy and vibrant body that radiates with energy and vitality. I have a mindset of abundance, knowing that I deserve and have access to unlimited wealth. I have the ability to manifest my financial goals and aspirations. I have a strong and resilient body that supports me in achieving my dreams. I have the discipline to take care of my physical and financial well-being. I have a positive relationship with money, seeing it as a tool for my growth and happiness. I have the knowledge and resources to make wise financial decisions. I have the power to attract opportunities that bring me wealth and success. I have a healthy and balanced lifestyle that nurtures my body and finances. I have the ability to turn my dreams into reality and live a life of abundance. I have a mindset of wealth, prosperity, and financial independence. I have the confidence to pursue my financial goals and aspirations. I have a positive mindset that attracts wealth and good health into my life. I have the ability to create multiple streams of income and financial stability. I have a clear vision of my financial and health goals and take inspired action to achieve them. I have the power to overcome any financial or health challenges that come my way. I have a healthy relationship with money and health, understanding their importance and value. I have the mindset of abundance, knowing that there is always more than enough for me. I have the ability to attract wealth and health effortlessly and gracefully. I have a positive attitude towards money and health, knowing that they are both within my reach. I have a grateful heart for the abundance of wealth and health in my life. I have the power to create financial and health miracles in my life. I have a mindset of gratitude, attracting more wealth and health into my life. I have the knowledge and skills to manage and grow my wealth and health. I have the confidence to believe in my financial and health goals and take consistent action towards them. I have the ability to attract positive opportunities and experiences that contribute to my wealth and health. I have the power to create financial abundance and optimal health in my life. I have the capacity to transform my financial situation and improve my health. I have the ability to manifest my financial and health desires with ease. I have a positive mindset that supports my financial and health goals. I have a deep belief in my ability to create and maintain wealth and health. I have the discipline to invest in my financial and health well-being on a consistent basis. I have a positive attitude towards wealth and health, knowing that they are within my control. I have the ability to manifest wealth and health in perfect harmony. I have the ability to manifest wealth and health in perfect harmony. I have a grateful heart for the abundance of wealth and health that surrounds me. I have the power to overcome any obstacles on my path to financial and health success. I have a mindset of abundance, knowing that wealth and health are my birthrights. I have the knowledge and resources to make informed decisions regarding my finances and health. I have the confidence to take inspired action towards my financial and health goals. I have a positive relationship with money and health, attracting positive outcomes in both areas. I have the ability to attract wealth and health into my life through positive thoughts and actions. I have a mindset of success and well-being, aligning my thoughts and behaviors with my desires. I have the capacity to manifest financial abundance and optimal health in my life. I have a grateful mindset, appreciating the wealth and health that already exists in my life. I have the power to attract wealth and health through my positive energy and intentions. I have a positive attitude towards my financial and health goals, knowing that I am capable of achieving them. I have the ability to create a life of abundance and well-being, both financially and physically. I have the mindset of a wealthy and healthy individual, embodying success in all areas of my life. I have the confidence to take control of my financial and health destiny. I have the confidence to take control of my financial and health destiny. I have a positive mindset towards wealth and health, knowing that they are within my reach. I have the power to manifest my financial and health desires and create the life I desire. I have a grateful heart that attracts financial and health blessings into my life. I have the mindset of abundance, expecting and receiving wealth and health effortlessly. I have the ability to attract unlimited wealth and optimal health into my life. I have the ability to attract unlimited wealth and optimal health into my life. I have the power to manifest my financial and health goals, creating a life of wealth and well-being.